What I thought I'd do this morning is just give you a grand tour and give you an idea of how it all started right from the beginning. So here we go, let's have a look. There you go, we got the chook shed and the raised garden beds, all going very well. Here we got the shed, which is a conversion from what used to be our warehouse when we were running a previous business. I'm going to walk over here to this corner. Oh, that's our little garden shed. Now, standing over here, hard to imagine, but I'll load a photo up in a second of what it used to look like. Hard to imagine. Nonetheless, here we go, the big tour. Oh, and the shed has been converted. I don't know if you can read that. Let me know if you want to see what's in the Weekender, the infamous Weekender. And of course, we also have the bees, not very active this morning. The undercover area. The infamous backyard. Hard to think the change that has taken place. Since we acquired this property. And of course we have all the fruit trees down here. That's part of our solar system. 10 kilowatts we got. 5 kilowatts on top of the shed of solar array, and another 5 kilowatts up on the house roof, all feeding down to a 10 kilowatt battery inverter. And of course the covered area between the shed and the house It's got grapevines growing on it. So one of these days we'll have a bit of fruit off that as well. There's 4 different varieties on that. My little girls are busy doing the things that bees do. Yeah. Pumpkins are coming along very nicely. I saw one the other day. We've actually got a pumpkin. Look at that. The start of one. How gorgeous is that? Since the last video, we have got so many passion fruit happening. Look at them all. They're going to be gorgeous. Passion fruit everywhere on this line. It's only down to 29% at the moment. Even with this cloudy day, completely overcast, we're still generating electricity. And while there is power in the battery, means we're not paying for it. Gotta love those batteries. Yeah, so anyway, this was just a short video, just to give you a small sample and a grand tour. But don't forget, if you want to have a look at the Weekender and what's inside, please comment and let us know below. And don't forget, if you like what you're getting so far, don't forget to like and subscribe. That'll help us out a lot. Thanks guys, we'll catch you on the next one. Bye.